Do you want to write SQL queries on your Pandas data frame? Let's see how we can do this. So the very first thing that you have to do is to install this package known as Datapane, and then you have to import it as DP. So this is how my Pandas data frame look like. But now if you wrap this Pandas data frame object, which is df, in this data table method from the Datapane package, you will get a interactive interface like this. And now if you want to do anything on top of it, you can do it. For example, if I click on run SQL query, I can write my SQL query. So let's say I wanted to find out passenger class wise average fare. So P class comma average of fare from the table group by P class, and when I run this query, here you have the result. Don't you think that is amazing? Follow us for more interesting content.